Python Dataframe Boolean values with if statement. I want to make if statement to show all ref underscore int that are duplicated. I tried this. And it shows me all values with true or false, but I don't want to do something like this.
I think you need duplicated for Boolean mask and for new column number py.where. Sample. If need, check at least one if unique value need any for convert Boolean mask array to scalar true or false.
Another solution using group B. Value underscore counts can actually work if you make a minor change.